Before we start today's video, warning, I could not find this sound anywhere. We used to be close, but people can go from people you know to people you don't. And my heart hurts the most, cause people can go to people you know and people you don't. I love this thing. Bye, Cheese Squad. Also, I am loving this face soon, especially because I know how to control it now. Look, let me not zoom in. Now let me zoom in. I am loving this. Anyway, zoom out real quick. Zoom in real quick. Okay, what? Sometimes it doesn't work, so I have to improvise in my videos, so forgive me. There we go. My last video was about 50 subs. Let's get there. Let's get there. Let's get there. 50 subs. Keep it rolling, guys. Do you want to live stream? I'll give you a live stream only if we get to 50 subs. Because one thing about YouTube, you can't live without 50 subs. And I really want to go live. So I'll make sure to live stream at least 10 minutes. Just talking with you. Sometimes I'll do different stuff in the live stream. And I hope I go viral. Anyway, 50 subs, please. I posted about it on my last video. The title was Please 50 subs. Also, do you play Blue Lock Rifles? Because a lot of my friends play it, but I only played it 2 times. Oh, also, do you play Fish? Both of these games are from Roblox. And Fish, I have only played once. So, help me, please. So just comment down below if you played Blue Lock Rivals or Fish.